Welcome to Love Condos at 185 Bonis Avenue. You will fall in love with this cozy 1-bedroom plus den condo situated in a lovely neighborhood. This lovely open concept condo is approximately 700 square feet, which includes luxury finishes, a lovely kitchen, and a beautifully sized living room which overlooks a balcony with a lovely view. This unit has not one, but 2 full bathrooms for you to enjoy. The bathroom in the master suite really stands out, like the shower built in it. This lovely condo is located in a lovely location. That has easy access to 401, TTC, GO Transit, shops, and restaurants. Another great thing about this unit at 185 Bonis Avenue is that you have access to 2 lovely malls right down the street, Scarborough Town Center and Fairview Mall. Everything you need for today's living right at your fingertips. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, a growing family, or if you're looking to downsize, then this truly is a lovely condo you must see in person. Do not sleep on this lovely unit as it won't last long. Better call Lodi for more information.